I've seen them perform best at more than a foot away from time to time. Yeah. And I've seen some that perform best really close mic'd. And so it just really depends on the person and on the mic where that placement is.
Yeah, I kind of think of the it's so funny. I came up with a baseball analogy, which of course is silly to me because I don't really like baseball. I don't, not that I don't like it, but I don't watch it very much. But I kind of consider like you've got a strike zone, where you would place the microphone, and it's basically the top of it is at your eye level, right at your eyes, and then the lower end of it is like kind of right at your clavicle, and basically like inside that square on either side from left to right, that microphone could fit anywhere in that space, pointed at your mouth, 6 to 8 inches away usually, and kind of off axis. So you're not going to speak directly into it anyway. But it could fit anywhere in that space, and you should try those kind of four corners and somewhere in the middle. And, the reason why it might sound a little bit different on the left or the right kind of goes back to the environment. Because if you actually have something different going on the left side,
His glory, then legitimacy is tied inextricably to a consuming preoccupation with knowing all that has been revealed about Christ, to understand His full glory with a view to worshiping Him, honoring Him, and loving Him. In fact, you can tie the two together. The degree of emphasis on the Bible in any preacher's ministry, in any church, in any organization, the degree of emphasis on the Bible is equal to the commitment to the glory of the Son of God. If there is a diminished interest in the Bible, there is a diminished interest in the one the Bible reveals.